Hey, Walter Sorrells back with more tips for the knife maker. Today, making a Japanese sword in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so today we're just going to be screwing around a little bit. I'm going to be doing a little time-lapse photography experiment with making a wakizashi, which is a Japanese sword. There's sort of two stages that happen in the production of the sword. The first is what's known as a tsunobe, which is basically just kind of a tapered bar of steel. It's still kind of like a crowbar. So what you'll see today is the shaping from that tsunobe, that sort of tapered crowbar, into the rough shape of the sword. All right, let's jump right in. So I didn't really do any instruction here. I've got videos on my website, waltersorrellsblades.com, that cover all kinds of stuff about sword making. There's a lot of nuance to how you form the blade. It looks just like a really rough, awful looking thing at the end of this process, but there's a lot of shaping that goes into it subsequent to the forging, but before it's quenched. Then when it's quenched, it's going to actually change its curvature a little bit. So you have to sort of preload the curvature that you anticipate happening into the blade at this point, because it curves differently at different parts of the blade. Anyway, it's a very complex sort of subject. But, you know, it's part of why the blade looks really kind of strange and ugly at this point. And then after it's been ground and polished and all that sort of thing, the curvature starts to come out looking much more sensible. Hope you enjoyed that quick little view of the process that I go through to forge a wakizashi. Hey guys, if you found value in this video, I hope you'll consider partnering with the channel to help us bring more videos, better videos, more knives, more techniques, all that cool stuff. Click the link to Patreon to help this channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, bro, what are you waiting on? And check me out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff. Also, if you're into Japanese swords, check out my website, waltersorrellsblades.com, where you'll see more of my work and where you'll find videos about the making of Japanese swords, along with mounting, fittings, polishing, hamones, all kinds of good stuff. Now, more videos.